Back at the gas station again. 1966 Cadillac convertible here. 22-inch wheels. Got the blue or gray top on it. Dark blue paint here. She is a great driver. I'd call this a driver-shaped car. It's not a fresh restoration, but it's far from junk, you know. It's got a good look to it. Blue with the blue interior.